तवो भागवता धर्मान शिक्षेद गुरुपात्म दैवतः अमायया अनुवृत्त्या जयस्तु से आत्मादो हरि 11th canto 3rd chapter 22 verse says this thing. One should accept Shuddha Bhakta Shuddha Bhakta Loibena Guru Rupe Vari. Your devotee of Krishna should accept Guru. And he should accept that Guru and just say that Guru, the manifestation of Krishna. Acharya Mang Bijanyam. Acharya Mang Bijanyam. Krishna's words, the teaching to Uddhava in 11th canto. Should accept that Acharya as good as myself. Namartya Buddha Asvete Sarpadeva Maya Guru. You should not think that Guru, Acharya, as an ordinary human being, then that great offense. You cannot develop the bhakti at all. If you think like that, do you understand? So this verse also says, Tavo Bhagavatam Dharma Sikhyat Guruvatma Daivata. Accepting such a Guru and thinking that Guru is good as Supreme Lord Krishna, you learn Bhagavad Dharma from him. Understand? So learn Bhagavad Dharma from him. Niskapata Anubhuti. You should serve Guru without duplicity, Niskapata Seva. You understand? If you serve Guru without duplicity, then you get his mercy. Otherwise you cannot get his mercy. If you do like that, Atma the Hari, soul and soul of this soul, Hari, will be very much pleased. Understand? This is the meaning of the verse. In the association of devotees, Vaishnavas, when one cultivates, practices bhakti, Supreme Lord Krishna becomes so much pleased that he gives himself to him. Yes, take me, yeah. In any other means, Krishna is not so pleased. Do you understand? No other means. Therefore, Narottam Das Thakur, Bhakti Vinod Thakur, all great Mahadaras, dear devotees of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Krishna, they have glorified the such Vaishnavas very highly. Yes. Sadhu Sangha Sarva Shastre Koy, Lobe Matra Sadhu Sanghe, Sarva Siddhi Hoy. In all Vedic literature, it has been said. Sadhu Sangha Sarva Shastre Koy. In all literatures, they stressed on Sadhu Sangha. Association of sadhus. Lobe Matra Sadhu Sanghe Sarva Siddhi. By one moment, such a pure devotee, prime bhakta, if one is very fortunate, he can get all sorts of perfection. Yes. Do you understand? So, those who are very greedy, one should develop greed for it. Do you understand? This is the greed. One should develop greed for it. Do you understand? How to associate with sadhus and hear Krishna Katha from him. Sadhu Sanghe hoy, Krishna Katha alapana. What is the business of a sadhu? What he does? He only speaks Krishna Katha. Sadhu Sanghe hoy, Krishna Katha alapana. Only Krishna Katha alapana, nothing else. That is sadhu. How can you recognize a sadhu? By hearing. By hearing, do you understand? By hearing you can recognize this sadhu speaks pure Krishna Katha. That is sadhu. You can recognize sadhu by your eyes, no. No. By hearing only, do you understand? So, those who can understand this thing, do that sadhu sangha, lobe matra sadhu sangha, movements of association, sadhu, fortunate, he can develop. That durlabha sampatti really achieved. A set, that is prema, Krishna prema. Do you understand? Yes. Therefore, In all Shastras, it has been stressed upon. If you associate with Joseph, you understand Joseph? What is Joseph? Woman. Joseph. Associate with Joseph, what will happen?
Hell.
What's that?
Hell.
Go to hell. You develop moha. Moha, delusion. Similarly, if you associate with Bhagavad Bhakta, Vaishnavas, pure devotees of the Lord, what will you get? You develop pure bhakti. Do you understand? You develop pure bhakti.